What's going on, Odooers, and welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to use AI in Odoo to make smarter vendor decisions by focusing on the real-world quality of the products that you receive. Procurement teams often deal with overlapping suppliers, inconsistent quality, and even scattered vendor data. And when it's time to place a big order or even renew a contract, there's not really an easy way to tell which vendor is truly the best fit. So the result? Decision fatigue, costly trial and error, and missed savings. Odoo's AI takes the guesswork out of vendor decisions by linking quality alerts with existing supplier data, and it generates a predictive quality score for each vendor. And the impact? Supplier related defects are reduced up to 40%, procurement costs are cut by up to 15%, and employees spend 80% less time on vendor vetting and renewal decisions. So, let's check this out and see how to use this feature in Odoo. Now, to begin, let's do a quick overview of how I set up this feature. We're going to click into our Contact Azure Interior. And right off the bat, you're going to notice that we have a new Quality Alerts tab that's not standard in Odoo. I put this together with Studio, and it looks like Azure Interior currently has a level of quality of excellent. And that's probably because they only have one alert tied to their record. Nice work, Azure. Now, let's take a closer look at this field. I'm going to click Studio in the top right corner. And if you want some additional information about learning the basics of Studio, make sure to check out our documentation and tutorials. And I'll also link those in the description down below. Anyways, here is the new tab and field that I added, which shows all of the quality alerts for the products that we've received from this vendor and their quality level. Now, we're going to click into Actions up here at the top, and this is where we can see any of the customized actions for this database and where they are stored. And here, we're just going to open up the Update Record area. So I created this action, categorized contacts based on level of quality. And here, we see how this action is designed to update a record. And I can also see that I selected Update with AI. So this prompt down here outlines what information I want the AI to use when assessing the quality level. Specifically, I provided 4 different levels, which is excellent, acceptable, poor, and critical as the criteria. I also provided criteria for each level, including the number and severity of quality alerts. In simple terms, every time I run this action, the AI will judge the vendor against this criteria, which are the 4 fields in our Odoo database, here down below. Based on these criteria, the AI updates the level of quality record to provide a classification. Since this information could be useful to have in more than just a contact record, I've also added it in a few different locations in this database. So we're going to close this out and take a look at our Purchase app. Being able to compare the quality of a vendor will definitely be useful when I'm creating RFQs. So let's hop into this RFQ right here and click this Studio button in the top right. And luckily for us, since this field is already set up and working, I just need to add it to this view right here. So here in the Studio editor, I'm just going to click and drag this related field component directly under our vendor reference field. Now, here on the field properties pop-up, I need to search for vendor. And then we're going to use this right side arrow to expand. And then from this search field, we're just going to type in level of quality and then click confirm. Now, last thing, before we close out Studio, let's make sure we label this. And we're just going to type in level of quality. And then we'll click out it to let it save. And then click close. Perfect. Now I can see the level of quality while I'm creating a new RFQ instead of just seeing it in a contact record. And since we're already here, let's see how this vendor measures up. We see our new level of quality field right here, but unfortunately it's coming back with a poor grade. I bet we can do better than that, so let's jump into our alternatives tab here down below. And in this new tab, I'm just going to click this compare products line function. So from this view, I can see the different RFQs for this particular item, which is the corner desk. And since I already knew it would come in handy, I added the level of quality field here on the left. Okay, now that we have our field set up, it looks like both our vendors here, Wood Corner and Jackson Group, are in poor standing. On the other hand, it looks like Deco Addict is in excellent standing, and it looks like the price points are the same, so it's definitely in my best interest to go with the higher quality vendor, right? So let's go ahead and return to this RFQ via the breadcrumbs. And now we're going to go ahead and click Create Alternative. And on this Create Alternative pop-up, I'm going to choose Deco Attic as the vendor. And then now all we have to do is click Create Alternative. Hopefully Deco Attic can come through for us. Now let's also take a look at how a quality alert impacts a vendor's standing. My team informed me that an item we received from Azure Interior had some damage. Nothing too drastic, but we still need to create an alert. So I'm just going to click New in the top left corner, and we're going to call this Scuffed Surface on Table. And a quick reminder, when creating these alerts, the title of the alert and the description are both used to assess the quality level. So make sure to be descriptive of not just the issue, but the impact on the workflow. This helps the AI determine whether a vendor should drop from excellent to critical or just acceptable. This issue stemmed from an order of 2 dining tables. So here in the product field, I'm going to make sure to add our dining table product. And under in description, I'm just going to paste in a quick description of the issues we were facing. Lastly, to ensure that this alert is tied to the correct vendor, I'm just going to jump into our miscellaneous tab right here and select Azure Interior as the vendor. And once that's done, we're just going to click Save up at the top. And let's jump into Azure's Contact. On their contact page, let's just hop into the Quality Alerts tab. And right off the bat, I can already see my recently created alert, as well as one pre-existing alert that was already here. It looks like the level is still excellent, but let's run our custom action real quick to see if a new alert changes things. All I have to do is click this gear icon, which is our actions button here at the top, and then click Categorize Contacts based on level of quality. Look at that. After I give the database a second to update things, it looks like Azure has dropped down to acceptable because of that newest alert. Not too terrible, but I probably want to keep an eye on things. And there you have it. With just a few configurations, buyers can now access real-time AI-evaluated insights about vendor performance directly in their purchasing workflow. By embedding these insights into the vendor form, product lines, and RFQs, buyers can now make confident, evidence-based decisions without leaving their workflow. This allows for smarter supplier selection, reduced risk, and better quality control. Thanks for following along, Odooers, and I'll see you in the next video.